I feel much more confidence to talk in English. My whole environment of my work, we speak in English. I do some interviews in English for American. I couldn't even thought like I can do it before, and now I can just go on this, and this was definitely thanks to Express. So my name is Noam Tirosh. I live in Tel Aviv. I work as a talent acquisition specialist in a startup company called Cloudshare. I started this program 6 months ago. I just finished it, and I did this as a present for myself. This was a goal that I want to achieve. This presentation today that I gave just showed me how much I did good in this last 6 months. I had a bad experience in a job interview that I had that really put me in a spot that I had to decide with myself that I want to do something to improve my English, to improve my confidence. It's not that I did some courses before, but this was a bit different. It gave me real tools, practical tools and skills to use in my daily basis, in my routine, that I can really work on my English. What was different in Express was the thing that I can do it everywhere and what time that I want. I used to schedule my English buddy phone calls when I know that I have a drive. So while I'm in the car, I did these phone calls, and instead of just listening to music, I practice on my English. That was amazing. I would recommend Express for people that use English in their daily basis, in their work, and they really want to achieve their goals about the English will not be an issue for them. So 6 months ago, I heard that there is something that maybe if I want to do, I can do in a live event, and I say, okay, I'm not gonna do this. Let's go on the course. And 1 month ago, Karin, my coach, asked me if I want to do the presentation. First, it was on Zoom, so it was step by step, and the Zoom was good, and I felt good about this. So I chose to do the live presentation, and I'm very glad I did it.